Hey folks, this is Matt with Sullivan's Mowing. I wanted to bring to you the Yeoman Power eM400C. This is an electric remote control lawnmower. What you get when you buy this, you'll get the remote. This has a range of about 300 meters, which equates out to around 600 feet. It's quite a long range on it. Also equipped with a fail-safe on it to where, like, if it does happen to go out of range or whatever, you take it out of range, fail-safe on it will engage and the lawnmower will just automatically stop. So you don't have to worry about it like taking off, going off into a ditch or something like that. But you'll get the controller, you'll get 2 new blades, 2 replacement blades, you'll get a little toolkit. It's got a little screwdrivers, got some wrenches, got some little tools there. A charge cable that goes for the remote. And this here is the charger. It's got a real good quality charger. It's not a cheap, lightweight charger. Hold on one second. I got what I'm talking about, a cheap, lightweight charger. Okay. This is what I'm talking about by a cheap, lightweight charger. I mean, it's real light. It says high quality on it. I mean, that's no brand name, so I mean, it kind of tells you what it is. But this one here, this is a good, solid, heavy charger. It's made by Yeoman Power, so I mean, it's not like an off-brand or anything. So you know that you're getting a good quality charger. So I'm going to show you how to turn this on. So you'll always make sure that you turn the remote on first. And you do that by pushing both buttons. You got a button right here and a button right here. You push both of them at the same time. Alright, so what it's showing me is it's showing me that the TX, that is the transmitter. The RX is the receiver, and which that means, and it's, it's got a question mark because I don't have this turned on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. It's got a red safety shutoff switch on the back. You just turn that clockwise and that will come out. And then it's got a power switch right on the back, and I'll show you all this here in a second. So the power's on. Now the RX, it's reading signal. So in order to operate this, right or left, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, left, right. So I'm going to show you how you turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. This is how you turn it off. You'll push this button first. This is your safety switch. This is your emergency stop. You'll push that in. That kills all power. But you'll still want to turn this switch off. And then you'll push both buttons, the controller, and that will shut it off. So if you want to turn everything on, you'll push both buttons at the same time. That turns the controller on. And then this is the safety switch. So it says right on here to turn it to the right. So we'll turn it to the right, clockwise. All right. It's powering on. You got your meter display right here. Right there's your main power. Alright, so what this display reads, so right now I've got 84% charge. I've used this on 2 lawns right now, 2 slopes. And so I think it's done phenomenal. One slope is 225 feet long and it's 16 foot tall. And it's about a 45, 50 degree bank. And then the other one it's about 175 feet and about 6 feet high up. So I've got about 84% left of the charge that it's got a real good charge capacity on. It's 24 volt, got an 800 watt blade motor in it. These wheel motors are 250 watts each. It's 4-wheel drive, so it's going to climb about any type of bank or slope, anything you put in front of it, it's going to go right up it, or sideways. Another good thing about this thing is on most of your gas-powered engines, like a push mower or something like that, they don't have a built-in pressure pump in them to keep the oil circulating through the engine. So they got a splash system in them. It's called a dipper. So like if your mower is sitting on a bank, sideways, all the oil is running to one side of the engine. Eventually those engines will seize up and lock up and you'll have to replace an engine. Where this, with it being electric, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about any angle or anything like that when you're on a bank. So you don't have no worries of any engine failures or nothing. So, I mean, that's another plus about this thing. One more thing, main thing, since it's a lawnmower, is I'll show you how to turn the blades on. Okay guys, my camera went dead, so I'm going to continue the video here. I'm going to show you how to turn the blades on. So what you do is you'll turn this switch on, right? And then this right here is your low speed setting. Your high speed setting. To turn your blades off, you just simply turn this switch back off, and then always make sure that you turn that switch off as well. Okay, so if you happen to leave that switch on and you go to turn your controller on, you'll push both these buttons at the same time. See, it says place all switches in their up position. There you go. I don't have the mower turned on, but I'm going to turn it on, and I'll show you the readout for the display. Okay, so okay, I'm going to turn the mower back on. So you'll turn this switch to the right. You'll hear it beep. Did you hear that? That was the remote, the transmitter, making connection with the RX system, which is this guy right here. This is the RX is for receiver. Oops. Okay. So right now we're showing at 97% at 26.3 volts. So it's well within the parameters of where it should be. 24 volt system, normally they'll read a higher voltage. Really no more than like 29.1 and they're fully charged. Anyways, that right there is the meter. That's how you read it. Just log on to yeomanpower.com. This is how you spell it. YEOMAN.com. Speak with Miss Wu. She's fantastic. She will hook you up with one of these or one of their other models. They've got lots of other models to choose from. Really nice leaf blowers, gas trimmers, weed trimmers, sprayers, all kinds of different things. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.
I love to cut grass. It's such a blast. It's 97 degrees